Hey guys, welcome back to GWiz Academy. Now, in this video, we'll see how to add menus to your WordPress website. The WordPress website that we have till now created is this one, right? So what we did, we simply installed WordPress and added a theme called as Astro. That's it. That is what we did. But we need to have a navigation link. Navigation link in the sense menu, right? With menu itself, we can navigate throughout our website. If you see our official website, geekywebwizards.com, this is our official website where for our clients. So if you see this website, this is our website and this is our home page, and we have about us page, service page, portfolio page, pay online page, and contact us page. If you click on about us page, it will be redirected to one more different page, right? And if you click on our service page, it will be redirected to one more page. So basically what is happening here is we have a menu here, due to which it is helping us to navigate throughout the website. I can see and I can go to all the pages available on my website. I will understand how many pages are there on a website by help of this menu, right? So if this is my website, I don't have any menu, I will not understand where do I need to go. Right now I just have one page that is called a sample page, right? So what I'll do is I'll go to dashboard. So let's create some dummy menu so that we can see how to add and how to work with menu. So what I'll do is I'll go to my dashboard and I'll go to appearance, and in appearance I'll have this option called as menu, right? Click on this, and here first thing that you need to do is create a menu name. We don't have any menu first here. If we had any menu, it would have been displayed here, but it is asking that create your first menu. What I'll do, I'll add the name called as primary main menu. You can name your menu whatever you want, and select this button, select this checkbox for now, and check this primary menu as well for now. Just check this box. I'll tell you what exactly this means. So create a menu, click on this button, and then as soon as you create, we have this option, and edit your menu below or create a new menu. Do not forget to save your changes. All right, perfect. So now on the left side, add menu items and menu structure. On the right side, we can decide the menu structure, and on the left side, we can decide what we need to add in the structure. The items are available here. So right now we don't have any pages, we don't have any posts. So don't worry about these two. We will see what is WordPress pages and how to work with WordPress pages in our next videos. We will see how to work with our WordPress posts in our next future videos. But for now, what I'll do is, but I need something, right, to create a menu. So what I'll do, I'll click on custom link. A custom link in the sense a dummy link I'll create. How do you create a dummy link? I'll just add this hash symbol. It will act as our code will think it is a link, but it is a dummy link. It is not redirecting anywhere. It is just a link, but a dummy link. You cannot add @ or something random special characters. You need to add hash only. This is considered as a dummy link. All right. So now I'll add name for this link. Let's say about us, and then click on add to menu. As soon as I click on add to menu, this is appearing over here. And then let me create one more dummy link. I'll name it as our services. Click on add to menu, and let me click on, if you have any URL, you can add the URL here, but if you don't have, you can simply use this hash dummy link URL, and then name it as our products. Let's say if you have a URL, let's say google.com, https google.com, and then go to Google, right? This is also a link that we will add. Let's see how it looks. And then we have a dummy link called as contact us. All right, and then if all these links are created. You can see that our first link will be about us, second menu is services, third is products, fourth is Google, and fifth is contact us. So you can edit the name. How does it look and feel here also? If you click on custom link, okay, I'll tell you how to do that. First, let's save this menu and go back to our page and click on home page. Now if you see, we have a brand new menu that we just now created, about, service, our products, Google, and contact us. So let's say we don't want our services, our product, go to Google. We don't want this. What we need is just one word, service, product, and Google. So how to edit it? Go back to your menu structure, and all you need to do is select this drop down and then change the name. That's it. And then here, drop down, change the name. And then again, go to Google. Let's change it to Google and close it. Save this and refresh. So our menu is right now updated. If you click on about us, it will not work. If you click on service, it will not work. If you click on product, it won't work because these three are dummy link. Even contact us is a dummy link, right? So, but what if we click on Google? It will take us to google.com. Why? Because we have added the URL. So I'll go back now and I'll remove this. Instead of removing, what if I want to have a submenu? I'll simply drag and drop it below services. So service is a main parent menu and Google is now a child menu, right? So what if I want to make product as well, the child menu of the service? So there are three main menus, about, services, and contact us, and inside which I have two submenu called as Google and product. Now if I click on save and if I go back here and refresh it, see there are three main menu and then we have submenu called as Google and product, right? What if I want all the services as well as a submenu of about us and contact us to be a main menu itself, top level? So save it. Let's go back here and refresh. We will have three, and then in about us we have services, and in services we have Google and products. So it is not getting displayed correctly. This is the restriction of this theme. The design is not good, so we need to edit it. While editing, we need to make sure that the sub menu should come here, right below it, right? So how to edit this, how to bring it to the left side and all those things, it comes under web development. We will very soon start web development as well, but for now you need to understand how to create menus, how to create sub menus. And let me make it main menu services and Google. Let me remove this Google from here, and then for products I'll make it to the top level. And also what you can do is you can shuffle as well. You can bring about us down or products about like this, right? You can play around with this aspect. Contact us should be in the last. Okay, so save it and then refresh. Perfect. About, service, products, and contact. So this is how we create menus in WordPress, and this is how we create submenus in WordPress. And to add pages and posts, I'll show you in our next videos. We'll be studying about WordPress pages and posts. In those videos we'll see by coming back here and how to add pages and posts to our website, right? We'll see that as well, so don't worry about it. But right now I have shown you what is menu and how to edit menus, right? So if you want to delete a menu, simply click on drop down and click on remove, right? It will be deleted from our website menu, right? And then you need to make sure that you save it. And what is this auto add pages? In the sense, whenever we create a new page, that page should be automatically added to this particular menu. You don't need to go back to menu and search for that particular page and then add it here. As soon as you create a page, it should get added to this particular menu. That is what we are telling WordPress here as soon as we check this box. If you don't check this box, what you need to do is whenever we create a new page, you need to come back again to the menu option, search for the page and add it to the menu manually. So it's a repeated task, right? As soon as we create a page, we want people to see that. In that case, we will select this box and leave it so that whenever we create a new page, it gets auto updated on our link. I'll demonstrate you in our next video, so don't worry about it. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.